Hi, in this video you will learn how to crop a picture to a specific shape so that you can customize the sample pictures in our title templates with your own picture and make your presentations relevant and interesting. Now, when it comes to replacing sample pictures from our title templates with your own picture, the process is fairly straightforward. In all our templates design, whether the templates are from presentationprocess.com, prezotraining.com or allppttemplates.com, we make sure that we always create our shape first and then fill that shape with our sample picture. So that when you want to replace that sample picture with your own picture, the process becomes fairly easy. Let me show you how to replace any picture that you find in our title slides with your own picture. The first thing is you select the picture that you want to replace. You right click and go to Format Picture option and then go to this option called Fill and Line. Now here you see the option called Picture or Texture Fill. You check that and go to this option called Insert Picture From and you choose a picture from a file of your choice. So you go to File and you choose a different picture to replace this one with. Maybe I can take this picture and I'm going to say Insert, and instantly the sample picture gets replaced with the new picture. It is this easy to replace our sample pictures with your own picture. Now, as you can see, this is a fairly simple design, so it is easy to find a picture to replace this picture with, because it is a standard rectangular picture and we can always find another rectangular picture to replace this with. But when you have a complex design like this, where we have used different types of shapes to create our design, replacing the picture may not be as straightforward. For example, if I replace this picture with another picture with a different orientation, you can see the kind of impact it creates. I'm going to select this and I have right clicked, gone to Format Picture, Fill, the same procedure, and this time I'm going to choose a different picture to insert in this one. So let us go to File and maybe I can choose this picture which has a vertical orientation, and I'm going to say Insert, and you can see that the picture is distorted. So it is essential for us to learn how to crop a picture that we want to insert in this kind of unique shapes. So let us learn how to do that. The first step is to pick the shape that you want to crop your original picture with. So I'm going to take this shape, then I'm going to right click and say Copy, and let us take another shape, another photo. Maybe I can choose this photo, right click and paste that particular shape that I have taken. And since this is a shape, I'm going to fill this with a different color, maybe say blue color. Then I'm going to add a bit of transparency to this one by going to Fill, and then I'm going to add a bit of transparency. Now you can clearly see what is behind this particular shape. Now, if I want to have more of this photo included in this, I can do that. I can hold the Shift button down and then I can enlarge this shape. As you can see, holding the Shift button ensures that the dimensions are maintained. So I can always use this dimension to crop the photo. So now I can have this bit which is behind this particular shape taken and replaced with the earlier photo. So this seems fine. Now select the photo first, hold the Shift button down as you click on the transparent shape, then go to the Format tab which is under Drawing Tools. There are two Format tabs here. We want the one under Drawing Tools, so click on Format tab, go to Merge Shapes and then choose the option called Intersect. Now the photo gets cropped in this unique shape. Now I'm going to right click and copy this. Now this has put this picture in the clipboard or the short-term memory of this computer. Now I just can go here to the place where I want to replace it with, then go to the file and now Picture or Texture Fill and click on Clipboard. Since we have already copied this image onto our clipboard, when you say paste this picture from the clipboard, you have that replaced. Now you can always change the color of this by going to the Format tab in Picture Tools, Go to color, and if you want, you can always desaturate it by using this option, and now this merges beautifully with the rest of the images. Simple. Now let us do it one more time so that you understand the process very clearly. I'm going to choose this shape, right click, copy, then go to a different picture. Maybe I can choose this picture, right click and paste. Now since this is a shape, I'm going to fill it with a block color like blue, and I'm going to go to the fill option here under format shape, and I'm going to add a bit of transparency so I can see what is behind this. And I'm going to resize this by holding the shift button down so I can enlarge the size without losing the dimensions. And I'm going to place this exactly on top of the part of the photo that I want to pick up. Maybe this or this. So maybe I can use this. And now I need to crop this photo in this shape. For that, I'm going to select the photo first, hold the shift button down, and then select the transparent shape. Go to Format tab under Drawing Tools, Merge Shapes, and say Intersect, and now the photo is cropped in that particular shape. I'm going to right click and copy so that it goes into the clipboard. Then go back to the template. I'm going to take this shape, go to Fill option under Format Picture. Otherwise, you can go from Format Picture, Fill, and then hit on this one called as Clipboard, and then you have this picture changed. Now to make this desaturated, you go to the Format tab in Picture Tools, go to Color, and then have the first option called Saturation 0%, and now this merges beautifully with the rest of the photos. So that is how it is done. You can use the same technique no matter what shape that you find here, whether it is a parallelogram shape or whether it is a circular shape, it doesn't really matter. Try it a couple of times and you will find that this is a very, very easy way to replace any of these photos. I hope you learned a very useful skill today, which is how to build professional quality visual title templates with very little effort. So go ahead and download your free title templates, replace the sample photos with your own photos, and make over your training presentations. I'll see you in the next mini training. Bye bye.